10 powerful herbal remedies every home should have. Did you know that nature holds incredible secrets to boost your well-being? In this video, we're unlocking 10 powerful herbal remedies that can naturally enhance your health, from boosting immunity to promoting relaxation. Get ready to discover nature's pharmacy. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries across various cultures. They offer a natural approach to wellness, working in harmony with your body. These remedies can be easily incorporated into your daily routine for a healthier lifestyle. Turmeric is a vibrant spice packed with curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It can help reduce joint pain, boost your immune system, and even improve skin health. Try adding a teaspoon to warm milk with black pepper for enhanced absorption. Ginger is a fantastic remedy for digestive issues, nausea, and even the common cold. Its warming properties can soothe your stomach and ease discomfort. Sip on ginger tea or add fresh ginger to your meals for a flavorful health boost. Feeling overwhelmed? Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that helps your body manage stress and anxiety. It can also improve energy levels and promote restful sleep. Consider taking it in capsule form or adding the powder to your smoothies. Amla is a nutritional powerhouse, bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants. It supports a healthy immune system, promotes radiant skin, and strengthens hair. Enjoy it as a juice, powder, or even pickled for a tangy treat. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is revered for its immune-boosting and stress-relieving properties. It can help fight infections, support respiratory health, and promote overall well-being. Brew a cup of Tulsi tea for a soothing and healthful beverage. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Chamomile is a gentle and effective herb known for its calming and relaxing effects. Enjoy a cup of chamomile tea before bed to unwind and promote restful sleep. Licorice root is a natural demulcent, meaning it can soothe irritated tissues, particularly in the throat and lungs. It's often used in herbal cough syrups and can help relieve sore throats and coughs. Be mindful of dosage, as excessive consumption can affect blood pressure. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. Drinking aloe vera juice can improve digestion, detoxify the body, and support a healthy gut. Choose a high-quality inner leaf fillet juice for the best results. Cinnamon is a warming spice that can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health. It also adds a delicious flavor to your food and drinks. Sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon in your tea, coffee, or oatmeal for a healthy and flavorful boost. Garlic is a potent natural antibiotic with powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties. It can help fight infections, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Eating raw garlic or adding it generously to your meals can provide amazing health benefits. These 10 herbal remedies are a fantastic starting point for incorporating natural wellness into your life. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or health routine. Which of these incredible herbs are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. To continue your journey towards natural health and wellness, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, helpful tips, and exciting herbal recipes. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family who are passionate about natural health. Start incorporating these powerful herbal remedies into your daily routine and unlock the incredible potential of nature's pharmacy.